Hi, babies! What are you up to? Oh, I see. You guys want to build a sandcastle. Edna, are you helping out? Oh, I see. Someone's got an idea. It's working. Well done, Barry. Oh no, the wave! It could crash on the castle. Ha! What a nice sandcastle! Nice teamwork, everyone! Enjoy your day at the beach! Hi, babies! Are you on your way to school? What's that, Barry? Oh, it's a magic lamp! Oh, they're already gone! Wow, you've turned into Super Barry. Hey, Jenny, looks like Barry's going to be late for school today. Oh, no, it's nasty Dr. Zig. What's he doing here? Help! Dr. Zig's kidnapped Sunny and Chili. Super Barry, you must save your friends from the evil Dr. Zig. Oh no, it's a tunnel. How will Super Barry find them? Wow! You can fly, Super Barry. Now you can see all over Car City. But where are Sunny and Chili? Can you find them with your X-ray vision? Don't be scared, babies. Maybe you can break the bubble. Oh, no, it's not working. But keep calm. Super Barry is on his way. Can you go find them, Super Barry? There they are. Good job. Be careful, Super Barry. Dr. Zig might still be in there. Watch out! Dr. Zig wants to capture you too! Good dodge, but you'll need to think fast if you're going to stop him. Clever job! But, oh no! Dr. Ziggs escaped! Quick, Superberry, think of something. Lasers to melt his tires. Now Dr. Zig is truly stuck. Time to save your friends. Boy, Sunny and Chili are glad to see you. Can you break the bubble? Good job, Superberry. Now let's get out of here. What's that, Superberry? You have another idea? Get that! That's so cool! Now you can all fly to school. Wow, the city sure is beautiful from above.
Hey!
Hi, Jenny. The babies want to play superheroes. Oh, what's up, babies? You look bored. Don't be sad, guys. It's St. Patrick's Day. Look! A lucky four-leaf shamrock. Maybe the shamrock wants to play too. What's it gonna do now? It's trying to tickle you. Where is this lucky shamrock taking you? Wow! A rainbow bridge! What a magical view! This really is a great day. Look at Chili! Don't be afraid, Barry. Your friends are waiting for you. Wow. What could be inside? Taking the candy back to school to share it? It's too heavy. Great idea. Sunny can carry them. Finding a shamrock was lucky, but having friends is even luckier, isn't it, guys?